Hello friends, welcome to Swell training session. In this lecture, we will discuss about practical project cavity part. So first of all, I will show you video. So you will see here, this is my video. You will see this is your object. See. So friends, we will create this object in MasterCAM and apply the operation. Okay, so I will cancel it. Now I have some images for practical parts. You will see here there are many more parts, but we will create only two parts, cavity part and core part. So you will see here. Okay, you will see here, this is the another part. This one is also, we will create only this part and this part. So I will click on cancel. Now I was already create my drawing in AutoCAD. So we will import in MasterCAM. So I will click on MasterCAM. Now file, open and select my path. Okay, now our drawing, select format, all files and cavity part, open. Okay, now in view and change the isometry, you will see here my part is open. And friends, I will give you the PDF of this part in exercise file. Okay, so first of all, in machine and set your machining. So mill set as default. Now the stock selection. So stock setup, click on all solid and OK. You will see the rail lines is stock. So friends, first of all we will cut this portion. So we will cut this portion by pocket milling. But what is the depth of this pocket? So we will see in PDF. I have PDF. See, this is my drawing. And friends, I will give you this PDF in your exercise file. So this is the slot. You will see here the depth is 10 and another depth is 20, means overall 30. So I will open a MasterCAM. Now the pocket milling, select chain. OK, I will set clockwise, again OK. Now the tool selection, so just right click, create a new tool, end mill and next. So select your tool parameter. Like here, I will give the cutting diameter 8. Okay, and this is your tip corner segment, and this is your shoulder parameter. But I will not set the another parameter. Just click on next and finish. This is my tool. Now select your holder. So I will select this one holder. Cut parameter. So in cut parameter, first of all, stock to leave on wall is 0 and stock to leave on floor is 0. Now in roughing, you will see here the different path method is available. Right click the parallel spiral and the step over distance is 4, but at that time I will not change this value. Entry motion, so I will off the entry motion, and finishing cut also we will not apply the lead in and out. Depth of cut, so first of all I will not apply the depth of cut, just linking parameter. You will see the depth is 0, 0 and top of the stock is 60. I will just click on OK. You will see the path is applied. Now I will click on parameter and now apply the depth of cut. So first of all our depth is 10, so the rough step is 1. Now finish cut means number of cut. So the finishing cut is 2 and the value is 0.5. You will see here the finish step is 0.5 and 2 cut, that means 1 mm. And here you will see the maximum rough step means only the value is available. So the remain cut is rough cut. Okay. So I will just click on OK. Regenerate your operation. You will see. So click on verify selected operation. And now I will just click on OK. So you will see the depth is cut. Now see this option. I will select this and my path is hide. So the another operation is also pocket, because you will see the another slot is also available. So I will click again pocket, select this edge, OK, set clockwise, OK. Now the tool is same, holder is also same, cutting parameter, so you will see here already stock leave on wall and leave on floor is 0, 0. In roughing the parallel spiral, entry motion is off, finishing is also off. In depth of cut, so I will close the depth of cut. Now in linking parameter, see the depth is 0, 0 and top of the stock is 60. So friends, I will click on just OK. You will see the path is generated, but we will apply with depth of cut. So I will click on parameter, depth of cut, and we know this depth is 20. So two finish cut by 0.5 value and another is 1 cut. So I will click on OK and regenerate my operation. Now hide. So I will select both operation and unhide. Now in verify selected operation we will check. So you will see the perfect pocket is here. So friends, in next lecture we will continue this part with other operation. Thank you friends.